Don't be that guy. Man, is this file growing or not? Oh, I work smarter, not harder. Hey dude, stop that. Stop what? Doing the same command, cycling the command, doing all over and over and over again. I have no other way to do it. Yes, you do. How? Well, if you have a command that you want to cycle through, like I'm going to do in this example, which is ls in your command or something to see if the file is growing or files are getting placed there, there's a much better way. Show me how. All right, this is cringe. Yes, it is, but I'll show you. I will show you anyways. So if you want to do what the other guy was doing, which is doing like this and seeing if the number grows, that's your prerogative. But if you want to do or need to make an action where you need to keep an eye on the number growing, or if files are placed on a directory, or well, if you want to see something progress in search progress and the command itself does not have a way to keep an eye on that progress, like an ls command, which is a very good example. Here what you're going to do. So I'm going to put an ISO getting built over CD. Just this will take just a little bit, so you can see the numbers growing. So if you see the ls, so see ls is growing. So that's one way to do it. But the better way to do it is to put the watch command beforehand. So if you do watch, okay, you can, after the watch, you can do pretty much put anything next. And this is by default. You can tamper with this if you wish. By default, it's going to refresh the output every 2 seconds. So I'm going to resume this, and if you can watch carefully. So every 2 seconds, this is going to refresh the number, growing, and also it's going to refresh every 2 seconds. It's going to reach a point where it's going to stop because the ISO got built and it is finished. But you can tamper with any command you want. I'm using the ls because it's very comfortable to me and it's easy to show. And you can also tamper with the how frequently it will refresh the output and other stuff. As you can see, it finished, so I'm happy the ISO was built and I can carry on my work. I can confirm with the ls, of course, but ISO was built, the action was terminated successfully, and everything is good and okay. So you can put anything afterwards, or I mean, anything is kind of a stretch, but I have success for, at least I can remember, with any command. So for example, uptime, let's see if you do the uptime watch. In theory, it's going to update every 2 seconds or more frequently. Or you can just do the IPA command to see if there are any changes on the IP addresses or any changes in some statistics that you want to keep an eye on.